And the third van that's joined us is a Mercedes, and we've just got getting the fire going.
Too busy chatting.
So, Liam is going to show us around, hopefully.
It is a mess.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, come on in.
Thank you.
Like I say, I've got too many electronic devices. Too much going on. I can turn lights on. That's any better.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So you've got too many electronic devices?
Yeah, I've just got too many bags, cameras, tripods, iPads, laptops. Everything's just everywhere at the moment. So it's not
like ours. We travel with the bed packed like this.
Yeah.
So what have you done then? Explain.
Well, I bought it part built, so a lot of the work was already done. However, the person that I bought it off didn't quite tell me the truth about the work that had been done, so it wasn't insulated like I said it was. So I've had to go back round and sort of strip it all back down again, insulate it, build it back up again. And it probably would have been easier to buy a bare van and do it all the right way rather than taking it all down again to redo it, you know. So additional things that I've done recently is I've made a table that falls down into another bed, and the dog kennel, which is just there.
I was get jealous.
Yeah, I've just literally put a TV up a few days ago. Yeah, basically just trying to find storage space for things.
Yeah.
Overhead cupboards, plenty of cupboard space.
Yeah.
Oh, the toilet's in there.
Oh yeah. What's that? Sort of a cassette toilet, is it?
Yeah, cassette toilet. Yeah, it's just I had a spare cassette toilet from my boat anyway, so I've
just
put it in there.
Yeah. And you cook on that
for now.
Yeah.
But hopefully, maybe in the next month, I'll put a permanent hob
on top. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Build it in. Yeah. It's just that I've not really. I don't really do much cooking other than boiling the kettle. So this has been, fine for now.
Yeah.
Fine setup.
I'm jealous. Skulls.
There's some behind you as well, behind your head.
Oh wow.
It's a baboon skull that
I am jealous.
Brought back from Africa myself inside a sock.
I brought a few back from Europe now. And yes.
These were all things that were in my house when I lived in a house, and I downsized a hell of a lot of stuff, but I just could not bear to get rid of the skulls.
No.
So yeah, and actually they've been in a storage box for about 6 months, and I've only just got them out and started putting them in. Plenty of super glue and sticker flex to hold them in place.
And you've got plenty of room in here, haven't you? And you're quite tall.
Yeah, a decent amount of room. Again, the boat that I live on is too short. I can't stand up in the boat.
Right.
So that's why I prefer the van.
So what about the length of the bed? Is that
the length of the bed is a bit of an issue. It's just under 6 foot, and I am 6 foot. So I sleep diagonally most of the time, or curled up. It's not ideal, but it's not bad really.
No. And what sort of electrics have you got?
The electrics are still a work in progress. So I've got a 270 watt solar panel on the roof, which is about probably from here all the way back.
You're right, yeah.
And more or less the width. It's a huge solar panel. 2 leisure batteries under the seat at the moment, but I have got 2 more on my boat, which I'm bringing in, so I'll have 4.
So what size are they?
110, yeah, 110 amp hours. And then the only thing powered off that, so it's a lot of power for what I need really, but the LED lights, and then I've got the phone chargers, and then the Chinese diesel heater. Yeah,
and that good? Are they good?
The Chinese diesel heaters, yeah, I've got 2. I've got one in here and one in the boat. I fitted the one to the boat first, and then.
And what, do they run off the tank, or have you got a separate tank?
Got a separate tank in the back. I'll show you out back in a little while. But yeah, they run off a separate tank, and it's never skipped a beat. The one on the boat I've had for 6 months. I've had this one in since Christmas. So it's 5 kilowatts as well, so it's overkill for the size of the van really, but it keeps it toasty. But to be fair, it's insulated so well that I've not really had it on that much.
Mm-hmm. And your doors, you can open up so you can look at the view. I can open the back
doors, yeah. And I often do. If you ever get a chance to follow me on Instagram, you'll see lots of pictures of me working from the bed or editing stuff, photos and that. And I'll just sit with the back doors open. And, get some candles and stuff hanging from the hooks there, and it's just really nice. Yeah. So really nice.
Brilliant. Thank you. If we have a look outside.
So yeah, it is meant to just look a bit rough really, because well, that's just rolling on paint.
Liam the Terrible.
You'll have to excuse the toolbox. I'm parked on a slope, so the doors are going to open.
So this is all your work area, really.
Yeah,
isn't it?
So this is the garage. I literally carry every tool I've got with me. I am parked on a slope.
You are.
I've just tidied this out today actually. I carry my bike, I carry all kinds of things. So many tools.
That's your tank for the diesel heater.
Diesel heater, yeah.
Running on red, is it?
Yeah, running on red diesel. Just 'cause it's cheaper. The pipes run all the way around the back, and then the diesel heater is just in the centre there. You can't quite see it.
And water, what do you do for water?
I've got a fresh water and a grey water tank just under the sink, and it's a pump, hand pump.
All right, yes,
Again, same as what I've got on my boat. I've just bought them. There's more or less the same things. It's just ease of not having that other electrical item to go wrong. So, and again, I don't really. If I'm gonna wash my pots, I'll boil the kettle and pour the water in. It's not that I would ever try and fill the sink up. But yeah, I just enjoy sitting out, sitting in the bed, having the doors open.
Yeah.
I come up here quite a lot actually, just to have the back doors open to that view behind. So.
And that is a nice view. That's where we are. The bottom of top of Mamtor Road. Mamtor's up behind us. But yes, okay. Thank you.
No worries.
And you just roller painted it, you say?
Yeah, roller paint. It's just like NATO paint, what they paint tanks and boats and things with. So.
And that went on quite easily.
Yeah. I've painted Land Rovers in it before and all that kind of thing. Just use a standard roller. The entire van cost me about £50 to paint. So that's what colour it was before, the baby blue.
Baby blue, yeah. And it's a Mercedes Sprinter.
Yeah.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.